Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Caveman Skill in Claude. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Caveman Skill for Claude. In the search results, open the first relevant GitHub link for the Caveman Skill. Once the GitHub page opens, click the Code button. Then, click Download Zip to download the skill files to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Here, you see your downloaded zip file. Now, extract or uncompress the zip file. Open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find the skill folder. Now, select the skill folder and compress it back into a zip file. Save the zip somewhere that's easy to find. Next, open Claude and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in and on the main page, look at the bottom left corner and click your name. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Skills. Now, click Add Skill. Finally, drag your skill zip file into the upload area, or use the upload option to select the zip file from your computer. Once the upload is complete, the Caveman skill should appear in your Skills section. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.